What if America's schools could prepare students for a future powered by artificial intelligence? Imagine classrooms where technology adapts to every student's unique learning style. In this fictional future, AI doesn't replace teachers. It helps them create more personalized learning experiences. History, science, and space exploration could become immersive experiences through augmented reality. Future virtual laboratories may allow students to safely perform complex experiments from their classroom.
AI learning assistants could provide one-on-one support whenever students need extra help.
Distance may no longer limit education, as immersive virtual classrooms connect students across America.
Real-time AI translation could help students from different backgrounds learn together more easily.
Future schools may focus on creativity, robotics, engineering, and real-world problem-solving. The classroom of tomorrow may combine human inspiration with artificial intelligence to unlock every student's potential. Future AI advisors could help students discover careers that match their unique strengths and interests. Instead of one lesson for everyone, AI could personalize education for every individual learner.
Smart transportation systems may help students travel to school more safely and efficiently every day.
Future schools could use intelligent safety systems designed to help staff respond quickly during emergencies. AI could connect classrooms around the world, allowing students to learn and collaborate across continents. Future schools may encourage students to solve real-world challenges through creativity, teamwork, and innovation. The future of education may not be humans versus AI, but humans and AI working together.
Every great future begins with education, curiosity, and the courage to keep learning.
If technology continues to evolve responsibly, tomorrow's schools could help every student reach their full potential. This vision of America's future is inspired by today's technology, public research, and creative imagination. While no one can predict exactly what tomorrow will bring, subscribe to NextGen Future and explore the future of America, one innovation at a time. In our next episode, we'll step inside America's first AI hospital.